Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Temu account. You can create a Temu account using the website. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to open any of the web browsers that you prefer. In the top there's this address bar, type down temu.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, what you need to do is select the sign in or register in the top right. And from here you need to type down your email or phone number, and after that select continue on the bottom. So over here, type down your password. Make sure the password is strong enough and select register in the bottom. And over here, you need to enter the verification code. You can go to your Gmail account and find this Temu verification code. Simply copy the code here and go back to this Temu here and simply paste it. And that is it. And it also requires a security verification. Over here, simply follow the on-screen instruction here as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.